Hello children, how are you? Today in this module we are going to learn about properties of light. Light is a form of energy. When we enter into a dark room, we are not able to see anything. On switching the light on, we can see the objects around us. What is it that helps us to see? Certainly something that comes out of the light bulb. But what comes out of the bulb? It is the light. We can thus say that light is that form of energy which gives us sensation of sight. It is the light that makes things visible around us. Light enables us to see. Green plants make their food in the presence of sunlight. The energy of the sun is used up for this process. There are different sources of light. The sun, the moon, stars, lightning, certain types of glowing insects are examples of natural source of light. Candle, various types of torches, bulb are artificial sources of light. Light is very important component of our life. Now, properties of light. Light travels much faster than the sound. इसीलिए जब थंडर होता है तब आपको लाइटनिंग पहले दिखती है और साउंड बाद में सुनाई पड़ता है. Do you know light travels in a straight line? Yes. For example, if you hold a candle and try to see the candle through a straight tube, you will be able to see the candle. Now, bend the tube and try to see the candle through it. You will not be able to see the candle. You will find out that the light from the candle can be seen when the tube is straight. The light from the candle cannot be seen when the tube is bent. This activity shows that light travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight lines called light rays. When light rays hit an object, light can either pass through the object or get blocked by the object. So children, this is all for today about light and its properties. Now, it is your practice time. Fill in the blanks by choosing correct word. First, light travels in a dash, straight, oblique, curved line. Question number 2. Light travels in straight line called light, dash, rose, oblique, rays. Question number 3. Moon is the dash, natural, oblique, artificial source of light. Question number 4. Torch is the dash, natural, oblique, artificial source of light. Question number 5. Light travels dash, slower, oblique, faster than the sound. Children, this is all for today. We will meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.